Hello everyone, welcome to Budget Scenery Workshop. My name's Oz, thank you for watching. Today's video is just a kind of my daily process, showing you guys how I start, how I go about thinking, how I start my builds, and just really the thought process that goes behind it. As you can see, I haven't really done much, I haven't got much of a work area, but I have got a little shelf up full of my builds that I've done. I'm hoping I can get a kind of medium-sized bookcase set up, so that'll be something. So hopefully you'll see a lot more of my builds being displayed. So with that being said, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the first thing I do is clear any rubbish from my workbench and deciding which bits I want to keep, which bits I'm going to throw away. Any other rubbish I also take off there, like empty drinks cans or hot glue containers and dirty water. Then I wash them off and put them back. Then I get some fresh water and I put away any pieces I'm wanting to keep. Then I completely remove everything from my workbench and I give it a brush down. It's like while I'm doing this, I find this stuff kind of therapeutic. It's a necessary part of the hobby. Just making sure you have a clean workspace so you're not, just piling the stuff up as you're building. So I just brush everything off, then I remove everything off the surface and brush behind all that as well. Then with an all-purpose polish, I just give my desk a nice quick clean. Then it's time just to put everything back in its place. I like to keep everything in the same place just so I know where it is. Then I give both my cutting mats a wash down. The bigger one is for my scenery building and the smaller one to the right is for my mini painting. This is an old chef's trick, by the way. If you put a thin damp cloth down and then put your cutting mat on top of it, it will stop your cutting mat from wobbling or moving. So when you're cutting anything, you won't, cut yourself. And lastly, all I do is just hoover up after myself. I know a lot of people don't really like cleaning, but I find it very relaxing and it helps me think and it helps my brain get a kind of order. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.